Alright, I've got another update for my Commodore project. I'm just going to go ahead and flip the lid up. If you've seen the board before, you'll... lighting is horrible. I'm filming this in the evening. It has a few more connectors on it. And what I've actually done is attach some 9-pin... DIN connectors that you can't see. Which are connected to these pretty standard Atari-style joysticks. Had those communicating with the computer for a few days, but getting Windows happy with it was a little bit of a challenge. But I'm having some limited success here. Can't really... Whoa! About fell out of my chair. Film this very well, but here's I can't see what I'm doing. Here's some V. Which is a little bit tricky to film and drive, but there you have it, working joysticks on my Commodore 64x.